going to do a video on how to install the back window of a JL. First thing I do is I take this off. There's a nut on the back side, and so remove that. And then here you just lift this part up. I'm doing this by myself, so, and take this nut off. There's like little clips right here on this that snap in. And then just merely take that off. So now you have a fairly clean back window. Now that you've got the window clean and all the little parts taken off, the wiper and the nozzle, like I said, on JL, JK is a little different. But same premise as far as installing this. Take some blue tape, painter's tape. I usually put up a couple pieces up here at the top so I have them set up. Make sure the window is totally covered, top and bottom. Same way with over here. And now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a piece of tape down the center. I'm going to do half and then I'll do the other half. So now I took and peeled back the vinyl. This is the back side of that vinyl. Cut the paper with a pair of scissors. And now I'm going to lay this half over. I'm not going to worry about this. And I'm not worried about trimming. So that's just laid over right now. It's stuck here. This is all going to be trimmed out. It's not stuck to the window yet. And then I'm going to start working from here and working my way over, working up and down as I go. So now that I got all this smoothed out here, except for right here, you can see I'm going to take and I'm going to trim this down as close as I can and move this in. Now that you have it all installed, now it's time to trim out and around the edges. Now, simply reinstall your wiper. I leave mine off. I don't ever use my wiper. And find that hole. You can take your knife and then just merely cut it out. Stick it back in there and then put that nut on there and hook that hose back up, and that is it.